Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car dashboard dash cam in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car dashboard dash cam to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is eAce 10.26 inches 4K dash cam. Specifications. Brand name, eAce. Aperture, f1.6. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 1200 mega. Interface, AV-in, USB 2.0, micro SD, TF. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, all winner. Warranty, 365 days. Number 4 is Podofo 10.26 Android Car DVR. Specifications. Brand name, Podofo. View angle, 160 degrees. Camera resolution, 1280 by 720. Number of lenses, 1. Pixels, 1200 mega. Interface, micro SD, TF. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, all winner. System, Android. RAM plus ROM, 8-core 4 plus 64G. Bluetooth, support. Warranty, 1 year. Touchscreen, yes. Certification, CE. As the item number 3 we've selected, Brand Navy 4K Card Dash Cam. Specifications. Brand name, Grand Navy. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 9.88 inches. GPS logger, external. Interface, AV-in, Bluetooth, micro SD, TF. Chipset manufacturer, all winner. Warranty, 1 year. Number 2 is 11.26-inch 4K dash cam. Specifications. Display screen resolution, LCD 1600 by 600 IPS. Front camera resolution, 4K 3840 by 2160p. Rear camera resolution, 1920 by 1080p. Max external memory, 256GB. 11.26-inch intelligent large screen. Audio mode, SPK plus FM plus O plus Bluetooth 5.0. On the top of our list at number 1 we have 10.26 inches 4K dash cam. Specifications. Brand name, ImageBond. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 105 degrees minus 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 800 mega. GPS logger, external. Interface, AV-in, USB 2.0, micro SD/TF. Chipset manufacturer, Rackchip. Frames per second, 30.